Fun TV. The Labubu found a bubble wand, blew a bubble across the pond. It grew so big, it flew up high with a giggle. It touched the sky. Bubble trouble, up we go, floating high and dipping low. Silly sights in every puff. Labubu laughs, he can't get enough. Inside a bubble, what did he see? A dancing duck and a talking pea, a jelly bean hat and a cupcake shoe, a bouncing cow that yelled out moo. Bubble trouble, up we go, floating high and dipping low. Silly sights in every puff. Labubu laughs, he can't get enough. But oh no, the wind got wild, the bubbles popped in a sparkling style. Labubu twirled and softly fell, landing in a splash of caramel. Sticky and sweet from head to toe, he laughed so loud the tree said whoa. Though the bubbles all went pop, 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 the giggles and fun, they didn't stop. Bubble trouble, what a day, flying dreams and gooey play. From puff to pop, from start to end, Labubu's bubbles made smiles ascend. So grab your wand, don't be shy, let's make bubbles that reach the sky. With Labubu leading every way, it's a bubble bright, giggle light.